Welcome to the fifth episode of our Bali trip series. Today, we're diving into the stunning beauty of Nusa Penida. Stay tuned as we explore breathtaking landscapes and embark on unforgettable adventures. As the first light of dawn paints the sky, we board the ferry, setting sail for Nusa Penida. The gentle waves rock the boat as we leave Bali behind, with the promise of new adventures on the horizon. The journey from Bali to Nusa Penida typically takes around 45 minutes. Upon arriving at Nusa Penida, our friendly driver was ready to whisk us away to our next adventure. We set off along the coastal roads where the waves crash against the edges and the views of the blue ocean stretch as far as the eye can see. After our scenic drive along the coastal roads, we arrived at Diamond Beach, a true gem of Nusa Penida. This breathtaking beach is known for its pristine white sands and dramatic limestone cliffs. The beach gets its name from the diamond-shaped rock formations that dot the shore, creating a picturesque landscape perfect for photography and relaxation. Just a short walk away is Ato Beach, features unique rock arches and formations that rise majestically from the sea, ideal for swimming and snorkeling. Stay tuned to witness the most stunning views of Diamond Beach and Ato Beach from above. After soaking in the beauty of Diamond Beach and Ato Beach, we ventured onward through the hills and forests of Nusa Penida, immersing ourselves in the island's natural splendor. Our next stop, the iconic Broken Beach. Broken Beach is a remarkable coastal formation where the sea has carved out a natural arch in the cliffs. This creates a stunning circular bay that is perfect for viewing from above. The unique geological features and the picturesque landscape make Broken Beach a must-see destination on Nusa Penida. After marveling at the beauty of Broken Beach, we made our way to Kelingking Beach, renowned for offering one of the best sunset views on the island. Perched on the cliffs, we had the perfect vantage point to witness this stunning sunset, making it an unforgettable end to our day on Nusa Penida. next morning, we woke up in our cliff view hotel to the beautiful sight of the sunrise. Enjoying breakfast with such a spectacular view was the perfect way to start our day. After soaking in the morning tranquility, we packed up and headed back to Bali Island via ferry, cherishing the last glimpses of Nusa Penida's breathtaking scenery. Don't miss out on the adventure. Dive deeper into Bali's hidden gems by watching our previous videos from Bali series. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon. Stay tuned for the next adventure.